You know, I've been doing solar for about 4 years, and I can tell you anything you buy from Blue Sea Systems is high-end stuff. So I got a new project going on, and I needed a fuse block. So I did some research, decided on a 12 circuit with a negative bus and cover for about 36 bucks, which is a pretty darn good deal. But I can tell you, I didn't pay 36 bucks each for this. So you got the negative common up there and the positive feed down there. And here's my order details. Actually ended up paying 12 each. I just hit it just right. You got 2 of them for 26 bucks, tax included. Alright, let's open this dog up. I'll show you what is on here. Has some little stickers so you can label your circuits, which I found is kind of cool. This is all like marine grade stuff, but I use it for my do-it-yourself portable solar generators and also for this new project. But it uses your standard ATO, ATC fuses right there. It actually comes with a 15 amp. It's kind of cool. See, you just pull it in, pull it out. Easy peasy. And up, those are your 12 circuits right there. And then up there is all your negative commons. And a slick little cover for it to protect it. Kind of like a hard Bakelite material, old school. Right, now I'm going to take a look at some of my ring terminal crimpomons. And I like using the yellow 1012. And I thought about putting fork terminals in there, but I think I'm going to use the ring eyelets. So what you can do is you can unscrew the terminal, or the screw right there. Put your screw into the ring eyelet and then screw it back down so it's a nice tight fit. And of course on your wire you can use adhesive heat shrink over it and yakety schmackety. That one's too big. But here I am just kind of fast forwarding and showing you how I'm going to wire this thing up there. Yeah, those ones are nice there. Nice and shiny. You do that for the positives and negatives up there. Be good to go. Nice clean install. Man, I tell you, 36 bucks each would have been 72 bucks, and I got them both for 26. Pretty geeked about that. Alright, this is what it's going to go in. This is an ammo box I got at a local Army Navy surplus store, and I want to tell you a couple of things I look for. They have stacks of these things, so you want to make sure it's not bent up and dinged up and rusted out and in good shape. And I like the ones that have the yellow imprints on the front there. Make sure it's no holes or any rips, tears in there. But the number one thing I look for is a good gasket seal right around here that is not ripped and tore up. Right, now let's take a look at the battery I'm going to be using. This is an Interstate Batteries 12 volt 35 amp hour deep cycle AGM, which I bought off of Amazon. I normally get these, or I have gotten these down at the store in Norman, Oklahoma, but the old Navy guy there wants to charge me like 110 bucks, so I just get them through Amazon and delivered right to my front door. But I now own 4 of these batteries, and I absolutely love them. Since they're SLA AGM, they're really good with vibration, and they really like their high volts too. Very, very impressed with this small battery. And here's the Ames pure sine wave inverter, 300 watt inverter that you've probably seen on one of my other videos. And I tested this out with my oscilloscope, and it is definitely a pure sine wave. Really, really nice unit. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up, and hopefully you have a good weekend, and I'll leave some links below for some of these products you can buy through Amazon. We'll see you next time. Later.